There's these huge birds in my barnyard this morning. I heard them on the roof of my house. I'm hoping my rabbits are okay. And ducks. Oh, there's my ducks in the background. I see my ducks walking. Oh, look at the size of that thing. Is that a crow that big? Oh, Stanley and Oliver. They're okay. I have the chickens inside. Oh, thank God for the night. Look at, I heard something on the roof and I thought, gosh, what is that scratching big? Oh, I see my little bunny. She's in there. Oh, I think it's a crow. Oh, there's another one. Just look at the size. They're flying around. There's probably a gang of them. I don't know if you can see because the sun is shining. I'm having a hard time. Look at that thing up in that tree. Our maple tree. Ay, ay, ay. I'm going to go out there. And there's Bubba chewing away on something. My big bunny, my big Flemish rabbit. Look at that. Look at that crow. Scared himself. I think that's a crow. Look at the size. They're vultures. I think they're vultures. Oh my God. In a million years. Look at that. That's what I heard scratching on my roof this morning while I'm in bed. I thought, oh my God, it sounds like a raccoon or something got in the attic. Those are vultures. Or are they? I guess it almost looks like they're baby vultures because we have turkey vultures out here and they have kind of red stuff on their heads like turkeys do. Are those crows that big? Well, I definitely have to look it up. Oh my God. It's like, oh, can you see that? It's like Edgar Allan Poe poem. Said the raven nevermore. I'll say nevermore. Get out of here. Oh, here comes another one. I mean, are crows that big? Rocky, get him. My dog is trying to chase him. He's having a hard time. They decided to leave off my roof.